Then move on to, hold on here. All right. Very quick. Okay. So the lesson is gonna be so simple. I'll get out. I get in. There you go. All right. The usual do now, right? This do now. Same pattern. So midpoint, right? Midpoint x1 plus x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2, right? So you can put divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So it's simply, you need to calculate this, right? So this is a negative 2 over 2. This is a negative 8 over 2. So when you simplify, this is negative 1 and negative 4. Number 1. Okay. Now I want to write down the process, guys. Process. This is a process, right? Process. So, okay, number 2. Number 2. This is from end point. Find the distance from given the end point. So we have a formula, right? x2 minus x1. This is actually x1, y1, right? This is x2, y2. So think about it. x2 minus x1 and square it. y2 minus y1 and square it and put the square root. So distance is simply x2 minus x1, right? Negative 3 minus 3 square plus, writing as a little unstable, negative 2 and 2. Negative 2 minus negative 2 square. So negative 3, negative 6 square, right? Plus, this is a negative becomes positive, right? This is negative 2 plus 2, 0 square. This one, actually, answer is nothing. Negative 6 square is a 36, right? And actually come out as what? 6. You need to write this part, right? Can you hear me, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, move on. Move on. So this is a parallel line and transversal line, right? You understand this x, let's see. To get the x, now you gotta get the y value first, right? This is what? Alternate exterior angle, right? This part, right? Alternate exterior. This alternate exterior, which is the same, right? Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Hold on, something's not working properly. Let me go back. Hold on. I will bring up the system. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry, guys. My computer is acting up. It's last lesson. Okay. Anyway, so this and this alternate exterior angle. So okay, opposite side and outside of a parallel line. So they are same. So we set it up. 7y minus 55 equals 3y plus 53. Now think about it, because it's the same, we can set it up as equation. You cross out negative 3y, right? Cross out plus 55. And every time it jump over the line, change the sign, right? So 7 minus 3, 4y, put together 108. So divide by 4. Y equal 2 and 7, 27. So the y is 27. You can get the x value, right? Because it's a vertical angle. So I'm gonna put it in here. 27. My writing is terrible. 27. 7 times 27. Right. 27 minus 55. Oh no, my bad. It should be this and this, right? 7 times 27 minus 55. So 1449. So it's 189 minus 55. So this 4, 3, 1. That's x value, right? X is, this angle is 134. And of course, x is also 134 because it's vertical angle. Okay. So move on, right? So next one. How to find x value? We did this one Monday, right? Pythagorean theorem, right? So a square, which is leg, plus b square equal c square. This is it could be a and it could be a. A, b doesn't matter, right? But hypotenuse, always c. This is c, right? A. So I'm putting in here 3 square plus 8 square equal x square as a position value, right? So it's 24. No. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, no, why I get a square 64, right? Equal x square. So you add it together is a 73 equal x square, right? So how you lower this degree, you put square root, right? So you have x equal root 73. So you need to write this one for the grade. Okay. All right. So next one. So we finished do now. Now we're gonna go to the classwork, guys. So I put this as actually today is area. Okay, how to find area on geometrical figure. Now this is a square, right? How to find square area, which is this. So base time height, right? So simply like a formula matter, they put s square, right? Side times side, side times side, because base height is the same. So that's area, right? So 8.5 times 8.5 equal area. Another expression, 8.5 square equal area. So I'll use a calculator, a quick my cell phone calculator. I hope I can do mental math, but not necessary. Okay, what is it? 8.5 square. Enter. 72.25. Now you gotta put unit, right? Square. That's area. 72.25. Anybody know the triangle area? How to find? Formula is right. Base times height divided by 2. That is area. So base and height always with this right angle perpendicular each other. Base 15 times 21.3 divided by 2. So I use calculator. 15 times 21.3 and divide by 2. The answer is 159.75 unit meter square. When it's a distance, is just meter, right? When it goes area, and it always gives you square, right? Area. Okay, for the triangle. So I'm giving you also formula, right? Formula here and process. Okay. All right, let's move on. All right, do you know this name parallelogram, right? Parallelogram. How? All right, parallelogram. Base times height. I don't understand. Okay. Base time height. Okay, so base times height. That's area. Simply base times height. It should be always with a perpendicular, right? 12.9 times 7.1. So I use calculator. 12.9 times 7.1. 91.59. Unit inch square. Inch square. That's the area. Okay, so circle area, right? Do you know circle area formula? Area equal pi r square. Pi is the 3.14, right? R is radius, right? R means radius. So radius is, this is a diameter, right? Radius is half of the diameter, which is total 26. You do divide by 2 is 13, right? So I have a area equal pi r squared. So area equal I mean, you can convert or you can just write it pi. This is 169 pi. Or you can calculate as a number. Let me see, 169 times pi. Boom. Answer is 530.93. Now unit. Unit is yard, right? Yard square. Okay. This is formula. Right? This is the answer. Okay. Can I move on? Easy, right? Today is easy. Okay. Next one. How to find the area of trapezoid. Trapezoid area is like this. There are two bases. One base, another base, right? So base 1 and base 2. But one is long, one is short. We got to find the medium base. So medium base is this. Add it together, right? Divide by 2. So this is a medium base. One is too short, one is too long. So we add it together, divide by 2. So we find the median. And times height. Height is what? It's not height. It's not height. Height should be perpendicular, which is right angle, right? This one. So when you put together, right? When you put together, let it equal base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times what? Height. That is the formula, right? Okay, so when you add it, 46 divided by 2 times 16. And when you do this, is 23, right? Times 16. That's it. Let me calculate it. 23 times 16. 369. Oh, no, 68. The unit. Centimeter square. And that's the answer. Now we have a rectangle, right? Rectangle is area formula is what? Base times height. Base times height. So very simple, right? 3.7 times 10.5. So I'll use calculator. 3.7 times 10.5. That is 38.85 kilometer square. Remember, unit, right? It's quite simple. All right. Okay, the next one. Did you all right? Okay. Can I move on? Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on.
Uh,
Okay, triangle. Now I know this triangle is like, which one is base, which one is height? We know the, base times height divided by 2, right? So which one is height? Remember, I told you perpendicular, right? This is height. But this guideline is not included base. Base is from here to here, right? So base 29.5 times 14 divided by 2. Simplification, simply you can do this, right? It's 29.5 times 7. Let me calculate it. 29.5 times 7. 206.5. 206. What is a unit? Inch, right? Inch square. That's the answer. This is a formula. Okay, parallelogram again. base time height. Base time height. Now you need to be wise. You need to discern which one base. Yes, this is base. It's not height. Height should have a perpendicular sign, right? So 11.8 times 16.1. So I use calculator. 108, 189, 98. That's the area. So unit, meter, right? So you gotta put meter square. All right. So almost done. Two more. I think so. I have two more. Two more is, yes, half circle. So formula is area equal pi r square, pi times radius square. We have a radius, right? 17, right? 17. So area equal pi times 17 square. Is it done? No, because it's only what we calculate is whole circle, right? But we only have what? Half. So we do divide by what? 2. So area equal, I'll use calculator, 17 square divided by 2. This is like 144.5 pi. So if I do it times pi, 453.96. What is a unit? Your feet square. Okay, now number 10 is tricky. The reason tricky is because it looked like this is a base and a height. No, it's not. This is base 1, this is a base 2. So what we do? Base 1 plus base 2. Because the base 1 is too long, base 2 is too short. So we add it together, divide by 2, then we can find the median base. And height, you should find this perpendicular sign, right? So height is not 9, height is 5. This part is height. Area. This is the formula, right? So according to the formula, I'm going to plug in base 1, 13 plus 7 divided by 2. Height is what? This short, right? Straight line, 5. So let's calculate it. This is 20 divided by 2, right? 20 divided by 2, which is 10 times 5. Area is what? 10 times 5? 50. Now unit, meter, millimeter square. Okay. All right. Lesson till here. Okay, let's go back. You got it all, everybody? I'm done.